So how much is alimony in New York City? The honest answer is, it depends. But New York actually has a formula that gives us a starting point. For temporary or post-divorce maintenance, the court looks at the income of both spouses, up to a statutory cap that's currently around $228,000 of the paying spouse's income. From there, the court runs two calculations. If the paying spouse is also paying child support, the formula is 20% of the payor's income minus 25% of the recipient's income. If there's no child support involved, it's 30% of the payor's income minus 20% of the recipient's. The lower of the two numbers becomes the guideline amount. Then there's duration. For marriages up to 15 years, expect maintenance for roughly 15 to 30% of the length of the marriage. For marriages between 15 and 20 years, 30 to 40%. For marriages over 20 years, 35 to 50%. Judges can adjust these numbers based on health, age, earning capacity, and the standard of living during the marriage. Income above the cap is discretionary. If you're facing divorce in New York City and want to know what your number really looks like, call our office and we'll walk you through it.